Hello, my name is Jonathan Miller. I am the World Language Department Chair here at Homewood-Flossmoor High School. I wanted to just take a few moments to talk a little bit about our department and the programs that we offer, um, and about the teachers that we have here at HF. HF has developed a list of transfer goals that, as a school community, we created that we hope all students leaving HF upon graduation can carry on and go into the world, able to do certain things. Um, Specifically, the World Language Department has also developed their own list of transfer goals that we hope that all students that come through our program and through our department are able to carry with them as they leave the program or leave HF and go on to do better things. Our three main transfer goals that we wrote as a department are to communicate effectively in the target language. Obviously, our goal is to empower students to be able to speak another language, which will help create opportunities, open doors, through job potential or travel. We also really encourage students to take risks with language. One of the toughest things about learning a second language is actually speaking it and um, having this fear that you're going to fail or that people might laugh at you if you make a mistake. Um, we strongly believe that one of the only ways to get over that fear is to just get outside of your comfort zone and to use the language, which will help build confidence and provide an easier route to being able to speak and communicate in another language. And then our third talks about viewing the world through multiple perspectives. It's a big world, but with technology and with the ability to travel now, it's getting much smaller. So we try to incorporate as much of the cultural aspects from countries from around the world into our program, so that we can give students a little taste of what's going on around, and so that they can also kind of see that it's not so different between our country and other countries in the world. Um, our The standards that we use are based off of the American Council of Teaching of Foreign Languages, or ACTFL World Readiness Standards. And what ACTFL has done is they set up the 5 C's of world language education. In those 5 C's, they talk about communication, again, being able to communicate effectively in more than one language. Um, the cultures make up such a big part of the world, and language is always at the center of what makes a culture what it is. Making connections between you and people from all over the world, and finding differences and finding similarities, and making those connections that can ultimately bring people together in a really nice way. Kind of along those lines with comparisons as well, comparing what we do here, what I do here, to other cultures around the world, and communities, building strong communities, which will help develop a better community for everyone to live in. We have an amazing group of teachers, and some awesome resources that we have available for students. In the World Language Department, there are 12 teachers that have all spent extensive time overseas, studying abroad, traveling abroad, teaching abroad. 11 of those teachers hold at least one master's degree, either in the language or in something having to do with the language. We have 5 teachers that are certified in more than one language or in another content area. We are proud to say we have 3 native speakers of the target language that they teach, one in each of the languages. And we have also had 3 teachers present at regional and national conferences over the years. One of the greatest resources that we have is our own language lab that we use quite often for interpersonal speaking activities, assessments. Our AP exams are done in the World Language Lab. and that is ours. There are 30 computer stations with headphones that can communicate among each other, also through the teacher. Recordings can be made, and we have a full-time staff member that is there to assist and help out when needed. Some of the awards and recognitions that we're really proud of. We are in our 4th year of offering the Illinois Seal of Biliteracy. I'll speak a little bit more about that in just a few minutes. We also are participants in annual National French exams, National Spanish exams, and as well as the Midwest Chinese Teachers Alliance annual Chinese speech contest. Our staff is a diverse group of people. Again, we've got teachers from China, from Haiti, from Latin America. So we are just really, really proud of the teachers that are here to work with students and help develop those language skills. The courses that we offer, we have French, Mandarin, Chinese, and Spanish. For French and Spanish, we offer levels at college prep and at honors through levels 1 through 4. Our Mandarin program is just at the honors level. However, anybody can take those. It's open to all students. We also offer our level 5 AP and IB program. In French, we offer AP French and Language and Culture, as well as in Spanish, the AP Spanish Language and Culture. And then we also offer IB courses to all 3 languages in French, Mandarin, and in Chinese. We're really proud that we've been able to offer these upper level courses. It is at the level 5, and we invite students to continue growing through the program and taking languages as they progress through their high school career. We offer a wide variety of extracurricular activities that we're really proud of. More can be learned about that. If you have questions, please never hesitate to call or to reach out to me. And then finally, our Seal of Biliteracy program that I mentioned earlier, basically what it is it is an opportunity for students to show that they are proficient in English and in at least one other language through the four means of communication: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. This is an amazing program where students have the option and the ability to actually earn college credit at any and all Illinois state colleges and universities. The Seal of Biliteracy is available in multiple states, so it is likely that you would be able to receive college credit in multiple states by earning the Illinois Seal of Biliteracy. In order to earn the seal, students must show proficiency in English, which is usually done through the SAT. They need to score a minimum of 480 on the ELA section, or they can do it through the ACT as well. And then there are a couple of options of how students can show proficiency in a second language. One is by taking the AP test and earning at least a 4 or 5. The other way that we offer to all students is what's called the Apple test. And in order to show proficiency on the Apple test, students must earn at least an I-5 or higher on all 4 sections of the test. This is a test that is done online and is administered at HF. Again, we are in our 4th year of the Seal of Biliteracy. Last year, we had 25 students who earned the Illinois Seal of Biliteracy, and 13 students who earned the commendation towards the Seal of Biliteracy. So it's a program that has been growing, and we're very excited to continue it. It is an opportunity for students to, like I said, earn some college credit while they're still in high school, but also just an opportunity to learn the language more and to be able to use it for future use. So again, my name is Jonathan Miller. Please never hesitate to reach out and contact me if you have questions about the program. If you have questions about a specific language, I would be happy to speak with you. I hope you all have a wonderful experience at HF, and I look forward to meeting you.